Here's how to set Google Chrome as your default web browser on PC. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can set Google Chrome as your default browser. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So first of all, what you have to do is just basically go to Google Chrome. So here, as you can see, I'm on Google Chrome right now. And what you have to do is just go to these three dots on the top corner. Just press on it. And here you will be able to see settings. Just press on settings. And once you press on settings, you will be able to see the option of default browser right over here. Just press on it, and then you will see make default. Just press on make default, and then here you go. You just gotta go right over here, and you will see web browser option right over here. So here, as you can see, I've already set it Brave as my web browser, but I can easily change it by clicking on my web browser. And then here I will see the option of Google Chrome. I'll just press on it, and here we go. Now Google Chrome is our main default browser, and yeah, this is how you can change and make Google Chrome your web browser as a default. So I hope this video helped you all. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.